Didn't do
Yeah,
anything.
Axie has not pumped at all. I mean, TLM broke out, but it's consolidating. So let's wait and see because I'm gonna look at Bitcoin and we'll
It
see
dropped.
what will probably get the next 2 3. Yeah.
Hmm.
Bitcoin, I think, dropped to drop $400. Like it is around 4 to 8, or 4 to 4, I guess.
Yeah, but that's not dropping. That's consolidating.
Yeah, yeah, yes, yes.
When you say drop,
Like
for
it
me
just,
in my head, yeah, it's like
you think like it is back to $29,000.
eh, yeah, like when somebody says, "Oh, Bitcoin has dropped." If somebody said that right now, for me that's 39,000. You know?
Yeah,
For me, that's
Yeah.
25K.
you know
If somebody would
the
call me and said Bitcoin is dropping, I would think, okay, we're going down.
Faith, I just looked at Equalizer. It is very good token. Has very less supply, 19 million supply.
Yeah. Yeah. Equalizer is an amazing token. I held it when we were in the bull run.
Hmm.
Um, and made some money off it. Equalizer is a
Okay, this token
very
has
good
already
token.
gone to
So
five
I'm so
dollars.
excited to analyze it. Huh?
This this token
But you want
already
to do
reached
The
the,
five.
chart looks good. Huh?
yeah, it had this
This,
waves down. This
yeah.
was also an ABC. And
So
this
can
is
we can we
ABCX,
do
ABC.
swing trade on that?
I think so, yes. It's
Okay.
a very interesting chart. I think so. As long as Bitcoin holds, which let's wait for the daily close today. As long as we close above 41 300, Bitcoin should hold. We could have a retest, but I'm still. I still see 46 on the cards. So
46. Wow.
Alex,
Yes, Faith.
Alex,
what do
what
you
do you
think
say?
of Equalizer?
For the chart or the fundamentals?
Not the fundamentals, the chart.
Well, I just started.
Okay.
Give me a minute.
Guys, I feel like Bitcoin will go like 45 this week.
45? Huh?
What's that?
45. I feel like I'm not sure, but I just my instinct feeling says like it will go $45,000 this week.
Yeah. I don't like to say things like I'm 100% sure, but yeah, I'm keeping to my plan. So I think we'll see 46, 48 area.
46. Yeah, that could be very possible because
Yeah, we'll see 46. So
If we break 45,
the
it
structure
means
is
that we
broken,
are in the bull
guys.
run.
which
We're
one? Equalizer?
that's why I said the best thing to do right now is because right now we've broken the trend line already. We're not in the bear zone. We're in the
Yes.
bull zone. And then it could be a bear trap. It's very possible that this is a bear trap. I don't want to ignore the macro, you know. But right now, the micro is bullish. We
Yes.
can't deny that. So we've crossed the bear zone. For me, the bear zone was that trend line that we broke on the chart that I shared.
Yes.
And now we're in the bull zone. So for me, 46 is on the cards, 48 area is on the cards for me. Um, I'm not going to ignore. So once we reach there, we can analyze again and then see. I'm realizing that I think this is what works for me. I don't want to over plan and I will play wave to wave, stage to stage. And I think that's what works for me because,
As a trader, that's the best thing. Trade the ranges. Yes, I agree.
yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Very nice chart, huh?
No, I think so.
And we actually have an inverse head and shoulders. Do you see it, Alex? What time frame is this?
Here,
What time frame is this?
this is the daily.
Yeah.
Oh,
We
you
have
mean
an
this?
inverse head and shoulders. Kinda. Yeah, kinda.
Kinda.
It's not very clear, but kind of.
Yeah.
Or you could, no.
No.
Yeah. Or you could
No.
say, I can't really, no. It's not balanced. I'm seeing it now. No,
No.
it's not.
No.
Can you try the cup and handle? Can you widen the candles and try it cup and handle? But no. Still. Oh, yeah. Could play. No, this token is going up.
I'm back. Okay. Widen.
This coin's going up. Widen and try the cup and handle.
From no, from oh my god.
Yeah, this chart is good. This coin's gonna go.
I hope so.
It is. I don't have any USDT, guys. I have no money.
I have little.
Alex, what do you say? What is your opinion? Should we wait or get in the train of equalizer?
Well, this is the first time I'm looking at it, so I do see the cup and handle sort of, but there's a lot of volatility.
It's a very
much, yeah?
volatile coin. All these low caps on KuCoin have very high volatility, but we also have to remember how the money moves. Yeah, big caps, mid caps, small caps. So these are going to be the last coins to pop. This UV, but we'll go one by one. We can do one every week and see. We can go through them and just decide to do one every week because it's so amazing. You can even just put them on a bot and let it run. You could have just bought Trias and put it on a bot and just let it run.
Yeah, we're busy doing the bot thing
and set parameters. Yeah, sorry.
We are busy doing the bot thing.
Yeah.
I'm not sure if I was supposed to tell, but well, yeah, we're testing that.
Is it working?
Sorry?
Is it working?
Well, you gotta ask the tech guys. I'm not the tech guy.
Yeah.
Okay, so it could fall back on this level, but eventually, if it does go like this for now, moves up
Yeah.
with the FIP line, breaks out, and continues up.
Yes.
So then, because I'm not seeing it, this is the 4 hour. I'm not seeing the next coming. I'm not seeing this. It could be, but it's just very, very bullish. It would be a very bullish trend.
With equalizer, anything's possible. This coin can pump. This coin's like Trios. When it decides to pump, it really pumps.
Mm.
It really pumps. So
Right here, or just bumps and run. Bump. That's not a real bump and run.
um, what's the price now, Alex?
The price is now .55.
5.5. Where does the wave end? At what price does the wave end?
Well, the first target I've set at 1.06, but there are different levels in between. You could say this one. I think. So yeah,
Yeah.
somewhere I would say somewhere here.
Yeah. Okay. I think this was. I think I had a list of. Um,
You have some other coins?
yeah, I'm looking. I'm gonna tell you there. I had a list for KuCoin because I love these coins. I had a list for KuCoin.
Oh yeah. Before I continue, let me check the EMAs, of course.
Yeah, do that.
Or was it the MAs?
Okay, see.
Desastre. Yo no puedo hablar porque están haciendo desastre.
Maha
Ustedes y
already
vosotros.
run so much.
Sí,
I feel
también
bad,
allá. ¿Qué
but
canta?
that's gone. Maha is gone. VR is gone. Take profit one hit. Trace is gone. There's Uno. But Uno also ran last week a bit.
No dijiste nada.
So
Palabra
we need to look at the ones that have not yet popped.
Adiós.
So my favorite list has VR, ATEL, Trius, the top three, of course.
So this will
These
fall back.
coins. Huh?
There is a drop coming.
A drop?
Equalizer. A drop. When the EMAs, when the 7 EMA, which is the, when the 7 orange EMA or red cross over, it's bullish. So that's your buying point. And actually pretty fast, it just the trend changes from up to sideways. You see the price, wicking below it, and your ultimate sell or short is when they cross. But again, so in the bearish cross, like here, but you always be a little too late. So you need to watch the line change from up to sideways.
What are moving averages? Can you repeat that?
I'll show you. 7 and 25. And you can use it on the 1 hour and the 15.
1 hour and minutes?
Yeah, 1 hour and 15 minutes.
Yes.
And the 99,
7:25 and 99. Yeah.
yeah, and the 99 gives you the major trend.
And can you repeat what you have to search for? So the 7 crosses the 25, I think.
Yeah. So let me delete this. So when the 7 crosses over the 25, that is your buying signal. Yes.
Right.
And let's go back into time because you also need to know when to sell. The ultimate selling point is when they cross, but you'll notice you'll miss a lot of gains. Yeah. So what I look for is when the 7 EMA starts to change the trend. So it goes up at first, of course, like here. Yeah, so the EMA moves up, and after a while it goes sideways. So this is actually for me a sign, okay, you will need to start selling because these two lines will start to come together. And when they come together, they're gonna cross. A high probability that they will cross.
So this is on the 1 hour time frame. And how do you switch between the 1 hour time frame and the 50 minutes? What is the psychology on that?
It's just faster. So let's see what we want to check this area. Yeah, that's the same area. Yeah? So the cross happens at 0.5, 0.10. On the 15 minute, you'll see that the cross actually happens at 0.048. So you'll be faster to enter, but it also has a downside because on the 15 minute there's more volatility. So when you enter, you can also very quickly exit again. And the other way around as well. So this is your sell signal, and just right after you get your buy signal.
So is it better to put the signals on TradingView? So the how do you say that, the alerts? Sorry, on the 15-minute time frame first, and then check if the 1 hour time frame says the same.
Yeah, but
when you're placing
you can actually have them on your Binance. You can do that because I have that on my Binance, and you can have it on your Binance as well.
Mm-hmm.
You can have that set on your Binance because I have it on my Binance, and it's very easy because it helps you when you're in a trade to know when to exit.
Mm-hmm.
Or if you should get into a trade.
Right.
So you can also put
Alex, do you have them on your Binance?
Oh, wait, I thought you saw the screen. Yes,
yeah,
you do see.
I can see it.
Yeah. So you just add them here. So now you have the moving averages here as well. So right now, what I see on the chart is that the 7 is moving sideways and the 25 is creeping up. So there will be a sell signal. I think the price is going to do this, but we need to see in what wave it is and what the FIB says and stuff like that.
Yeah,
there's actually very little volume.
I think also whenever you see that the 7 and the 25 are moving, but the 99 has been left lagging behind, way behind down, it's a
Mhm.
sign to sell.
Yeah.
Like it's an automatic sign to sell if the 99 has been left way down and the 7 and the 25 are just hanging up by themselves. So just two of them, that's a sign of the top. Like that's the top. You need to get out. It rarely happens, but I know that if we have a bullish let's say coin, and it's just pumping, and you're looking for when do I exit, that's a sign to exit. When the two are hanging up alone and the 99 is way down all by itself, and the two are like
this. I don't know if you can see the lines clearly.
I'll zoom out.
Okay.
I'm zooming out just a minute.
So the
I
blue
can't
is
see the lines.
7, right?
Oh,
Sí,
the
ellos
blue is a
están.
7.
Yeah.
No, están haciendo análisis.
Yeah.
And then you have the white one, that's the 25. And you have
25.
the purple one, the 99. And that 99, you mean it's left behind, right?
Yeah,
So
if it's left lagging way behind, then it's a sign that the token is going
Ahora
to.
llegando el momento de
Drop.
entrar en Ethereum.
Because I never used
No
to.
importa. A
No,
mí me interesan
I
las
never
líneas, no
used
sé a cuánto
to.
están. Los 1900.
I never used to.
Pero pasó encima de la línea semanal azul. Así que
Ethereum
ahora,
got to 4,000
al cierre
something.
de hoy,
It wasn't like this. It was
pero
way
hoy
more
sí, al cierre
actually.
de hoy,
Pump.
me voy a coger el rumbo.
Faith, you're breaking up a little.
No sé si hoy o mañana.
Okay,
pero
can you hear me now?
Yes, I
mejor
can.
esperar
Yeah.
esta
So
corrección aquí
I
más
never
o
used to
menos
take it serious
en un
until with
máximo
Ethereum
de
when it pumped to 4,000
9
something.
horas.
And
Ver
then
cómo
someone
va y
told me
cogerla
if
hacia
it's
arriba
gonna,
porque
drop
hasta
so
4000
hard.
debería llegar.
And I was like, what do you mean? And then
Es
he
decir,
was
es su
trying to
historia.
explain the moving averages to me. But by then I
Su
was
historia
just
es
a
esta.
knob, I
Que
was
hizo
just like,
este
really?
triángulo y
People are
otro.
saying we're going to
Después de eso hay dos
20,000
Ethereum.
and this guy's telling me
Después
we're
de
gonna
eso Ethereum
fall. Is
queda,
he mad?
no sé si en 400.
And then I started
Pero
to.
esta subida
Then when the
hasta
market, of
4000
course, crashed, you
más o
start
menos
losing money. Then you start to
la
learn
quiero
all of
coger
these
aquí.
things
Porque
by
ahora estoy
force
seguro
because
que
it was way
no va a caer.
extended, way
O
more
sea que es
than
el
this,
día
way
importante, la
more.
semana importante para tener la
ATA,
confirmación
I feel,
aquí.
will have a little relief
Así
here,
que sí, Ethereum, Bitcoin,
Mhm.
and
no
then
importa nada,
it's
porque
going to
Bitcoin ahora
pump
está
again.
rompiendo,
I think
pero
it's going to
no la
just
roja,
have a relief,
que
breathe
ellos
a
están
bit,
diciendo que rompió, no rompió un cat.
and then it
It
will pump
depends.
again.
Y
It depends if you think
mi,
it's wave 5 or wave 4.
mi idea desde hace mucho, desde julio,
If you take the
es
waves, then it
Yeah.
has passed the 1.6,
o sea, yo
and
ya
most of the
puse
time it
esta
hits the
hipótesis
1.6.
de aquí
But
hasta
if you
el
take
50.
the bodies,
Ahora estamos en 40 y algo, 43,
what happens?
42.
Take the
O
bodies.
sea que todavía no se ha pasado esta
It
línea
hits the
roja.
1.6, retraces,
Esta línea roja es
goes
dura de
to the
pasar, pero
next
si la
level,
pasa llega a 42,
retraces.
50 antes
Retraces.
de la
So
caída.
I think
Que
this is the
es
fifth
justo
wave,
en
and
línea.
this is the
O sea, estas
mini
son
bear
cosas que yo
market.
publiqué el,
Where is the
no sé,
way out here?
pero hace mucho.
So you have the
26 de julio.
the
Imagínate.
first wave.
26 de
No,
julio
sorry.
la publiqué.
First wave,
Y no solamente
retrace back.
esa era
Third
una,
wave, retrace back. Fifth wave.
Fifth wave.
esta era otra.
Alex,
¿Ves?
you don't
Ahora
think
estamos
that
más o
that
menos acá rompiendo esto.
anyway it's possible?
Si
Yeah.
vamos a romperlo, vamos
Yeah,
acá,
because the rules are
porque
the
no hay nada en
second
el medio.
wave must be higher
Aparte es
than
esta línea
the
que
starting
está
point of the
Yeah.
first. The retracement of the
Eh,
fourth has to be higher
todo
than the
Be
esto
short.
first,
lleva a pensar
and
que
the most of the time the retracement
podríamos
from 1 to
llegar
2
a Bitcoin
is not as
50
sharp
y
or
caer.
sharper than
O
3
sea,
to
hacer
4,
esto.
so it's never the same.
Este es otro 30 de
And
julio.
yeah,
Subir hasta
it's a
acá,
good
lento
immediate wave
ahora,
in my
hasta
eyes.
aquí,
Do
porque
you
está
wanna
Snap
como
rate.
try?
average, la línea
Do you wanna try it
46,
starting from
48,
the 2?
y después hacer
Oh, this is
movimientos,
just
o
my
sea, por decir
bias wanting
aquí,
the coin to run
subir,
more.
bajar,
From the 2.
boom, arriba,
Okay.
Where the
So
two
después
is, you
empezar
just
así
want to
hacia abajo.
start. Yeah,
Eh,
yeah.
con una pequeña corrección de ahora.
But then
que
you gotta
está
identify
frío,
what
Because
this
wait,
así que por
is. It's
eso la
just
línea está
considering
muy
considering the fact that
así.
it's a new
Pero
coin, Alex,
digamos que en este momento yo creo que casi
Okay.
es
you
el punto,
have
el momento de entrar en Ethereum. Porque
But
3000 yo
it's
había
not
dicho
a valid
3000,
Okay.
3500, pero veo
but I
esa
don't.
I mean,
línea
Yeah,
y
if
I
es
don't want my
it's
boom.
bias
Por eso
to.
quiero ver cómo cierra
no.
hoy.
I mean,
Cierra
if
en
it's the
bajada,
first
todavía
few
uno
hours of
espera.
the coin,
Pero
okay,
en el momento
then the
que
first few
baja y
hours
empieza a
don't make
subir,
sense
allá
like
uno
this.
entra.
Have you taken profit as we're talking?
No, should I? Oh yeah,
Me puedes contar
I
lo
took
demás,
50
no ha
out.
cambiado.
You took 50 out.
0.20,
Good. Just take
0.75,
50 out, put the rest
CLM está en
in profit,
0.20, en
and we'll see what
0.28.
will happen with it.
No ha cambiado mucho,
And Axis is just
ni en
not
estas
doing
dos,
anything
pero
anymore.
sí está cambiando
No.
la
I mean,
forma de
it's
moverse.
forever ranging.
Así que es importante no...
Uni has run
Mira,
up.
0.28,
I think I got
Yeah.
in. I got
0.7
in
de 0.6 que estaba,
here.
20.
0.74, 1.41, 0.20.
So I guess I bought bottom.
Todos cierran positivo,
24.
But that's
pero
first.
lo que sí cuenta es esto ahora.
And
Ver cómo va.
TLM. Oh,
Porque el crecimiento no es
Let's
evidente.
see.
TLM.
I think,
Y si tú quieres
you know, I
comprar
wrote
algo,
down my
puede
entries because
ser un momento
I just keep
I know.
forgetting.
importante ahora. Ya estás, que lo tuyo lo ganas con eso, ¿no?
Somewhere like that. Yeah.
Ya estás en una buena posición.
So
Creo
in
que se
profits,
puede
but
consolidar a 2800
yeah,
la entrada.
but
No estoy seguro.
this is not an Elliott
Hay que
wave.
ver cómo va
If it
hoy.
is, then this is the
It's
start,
not.
or this is the start. This
Es
could be
peor.
actually.
Es
You
un
know,
riesgo, ¿eh? Porque
one,
Bitcoin
two,
ahora va a empatar esa línea
three,
y podría ser rechazado y
four.
caer.
Yes, it
Yo no
is.
compraría
So let's
Bitcoin.
check
Yes.
Ethereum.
if we're right.
Ethereum
We
ya
can
está por
always check
encima
it.
de esa línea.
It's an
Pero
Elliott
Bitcoin
way.
no.
It's very
Ethereum
clear
está por
because
encima de todas sus líneas de resistencia.
it is. Where
Si quieres
does the
comprar Bitcoin
price
es
go
una
to? On your one?
forma, hablemos dentro de un año,
On one?
porque eso se va a caer a
On your
22.
one, where does the price?
Es una cosa de hacerlo para hacer este
I'll
swing,
check the one
pero
I
después
have.
salirse acá, ¿eh? No
Just a
quedarse,
minute.
no es una cosa que quedas.
I'm always fighting
Porque
with
esto
this
va a ser,
Binance
¿cómo hizo acá?
website,
Va
man.
a subir hasta acá y
So
después
irritating.
baja a cero.
Okay.
Bitcoin,
What's the take profit on
Bitcoin
your
podría
chart?
ser un desastre.
Is what I mean.
On
No perdiste
TLM,
ningún tren, no existe
Yeah.
un tren.
my take profit is when you
No
tell me
existe
to
un
take
tren
profit.
porque
I don't have take profit.
¿quién ha arriesgado en
Target.
entrado acá?
You
Porque
say
tenía,
take profit now.
podría fallar aquí.
No,
En
I mean
Ethereum-
on the chart now.
No es que se ha perdido nada. En lugar de entrar a 2000, uno entra a 2800. ¿Qué
This
quieres
is
que sea?
the third wave.
Está muy alto, pero va a llegar a 4000. Pero una vez que está allá, cae. Y
Then,
On the
um,
third wave,
this-
o
where
sea,
does
this
esto
the
es un
be-
espacio de trading.
The 0.31
Y es alto.
could be.
Un 60%. Yo me lo
That
compro.
would make very much sense.
point
Somewhere. 0.31
Eso es un trade seguro.
3
¿Por qué?
1.
Porque ya todas las
Point
confirmaciones
3 1.
están. O
That's
sea,
short.
está la línea importante,
yeah,
esa
0.31
azul, que la está
And
cruzando en este momento, en esta semana.
3
Podría
somewhere,
esperar
yeah,
la
0.33.
confirmación por si acaso cae, y por eso estoy esperando todavía la entrada. No estoy entrando inmediato, y quiero ver cómo cierra este día. Pero mi límite
Three.
aquí es verlo por encima de este punto. Cerrar la semana. O sea, cerrar la semana aquí. Y en día ya está subiendo. Por eso yo he decidido esperar el
6.3.
retest
Oh.
del día.
Huh?
O sea, una velita roja en bajada. Podría ser que empiece acá, así que hay que
Yeah.
ver. O velita roja,
Okay.
o de todas formas abrir una
So
verde más.
this level
Pero
is confluent with
había podido
this
entrar aquí,
wick here.
por decir, arriesgarme acá a 2400, pero no lo hice porque quería confirmación
Yeah,
de la semana.
almost perfect.
Y a 2400
So that could be
todavía
the next target.
no había empezado la semana completa.
And if it's not the
Así
wick,
que
it's the
ahora,
3
para
point.
mí, esto
No, it's the
va a 4000,
0.3166.
sin duda.
So
No creo que va a llegar más, porque lo
you
que
could
hizo en el
say
pasado es lo que me interesa ver.
we have two
En el
take
pasado
profits
hizo lo mismo. Aquí,
around
no de
here
la misma
and
fuerza, pero
around,
era menos fuerte el mercado.
around
Y al
here,
125%
depending
paró,
on how
se
far the
destruyó
fifth wave
y
goes.
cayó. 2018. Así que,
Oh,
para
nice.
mí, yo después quedarme adentro,
And all
de
depending on
cara,
what Bitcoin does.
de quedarme 2 años
Yeah,
en
I have
pérdida a
44 as
400, no
take
gracias.
profit,
Pero
but let's see.
de aquí hasta 4000,
You
me lo swingo
44.
y a
That's
4000
all the way
vendo, y
here.
si sigue subiendo
Is there
entro otra
any
vez.
price
Pero con la
action?
0.44.
confirmación.
There's
No voy
price
a
Yeah,
entrar
there
action.
is.
y salirme.
I don't
¿Y
know.
si me salgo? O sea, mira, la
There
línea,
is.
¿ves? Esta línea.
You
Oh,
Esta
see,
línea azul,
you
cuando
see
cruza el
how
precio y
much,
hace la
and you
retest,
see the cap and
mira
the
cómo se
handle.
mantiene por debajo del precio
It's
todo
so
el
clear.
tiempo,
It's
hasta
coin
que no hace
bottomed
esto. Pero
like
debe salir
so
acá, ¿no?
hard.
this
Cuando
actually shows
hace
why you should
esta,
first start on the
esta
larger
cosa
time frames.
que se mantiene,
Exactly.
significa que
So
es
I
tu
was like,
garantía.
you know, this
Estás
coin
subiendo,
started
no
here.
caes, estás ganando. Y cómo está
But
So now
empezando
you
a
have a
bajar.
clear
Yo quería
cap.
esperar una semana de
You
confirmación,
have
porque
a
es como
handle.
aquí, por ejemplo, ¿ves? Está aquí y ahora
So
podría ser que una
you
semana
see
me la
why
cierra
might take
así
profit to
y entonces
high.
la recojo acá
Mhm.
la
Because
semana que
it's
viene,
just
verde.
beginning, literally.
Pero
It's
al
just
final, entre esta
beginning.
y esta, no es que haya una grande diferencia como punto de
Is
entrada.
that 44?
Four
Eh?
Así que
four,
una
4
vela
4 4
cerrando
6.
por encima de la semana,
No,
o sea, no esta,
44,
la próxima,
46,
para mí es
46.
suficiente para coger una
Can you do
trade
KSM?
que en un mes y medio
Yeah, sure.
va a darme, ¿dónde está?
Quickly KSM.
Esto, el 30%, que me está súper bien, de
¿Qué es
3000 a 4000.
Yeah, she
Después
said
a
it dropped,
4000
so
uno
you
mira,
know, gotta
es
look.
posible que vaya más, pero es también probable que no lo haga.
Yeah,
Así que vamos a ver. Pero no me
it
Why
quiero
didn't
not?
even
afuera
reach
de
the
esto
target
porque veo que es 30%. O sea,
because
juego
it
1000
set
son
the
300.
wave down.
Juego 100 son 30. No poco.
Well, we
En un
gotta
mes.
see because
Es
you
el
know I could have
30%,
drawn it
¿eh?
the wrong way
Uno que dice, pero entrando
because I'm
acá.
not a
Entrando
pro.
acá era un riesgo.
But somewhere around
Porque
here,
podía ser,
if I
pero
would
podía
have
también
drawn
no
it
ser. Y
correctly,
entrando
there would be
aquí
a
es
wave down,
menos riesgo. Porque está esta línea azul que bombea. Y
and
además
it's still in
están
the
las
range. So
otras
the
que
upper
son
range is
líneas
250
importantes.
almost. But
This is
this
No
is
están
Kusama.
molestando.
this
Porque
is a
mira,
small, yeah, this
todas
is a
estas
small drop, right?
líneas
I mean,
ya se está
it is
pasando encima de
expected.
ellas.
It just
Mejor que
drops
así
back
que
to the
quiero.
EMA
Nada.
and,
Exacto.
and the
14.
25 is over here. So I think that's a sell
Ahora.
signal if you're scalping. But you know, let's look on the 1 hour quickly. So
Pero no
you
debes
see the
pensar
EMA,
más
or sorry, the
en
MA.
salirte, porque si
It's in a
es
bullish
así no se
trend and
sabe
then
qué
it
va a
goes
pasar.
sideways. You're scalping from 3 to 1.
Mm.
From what?
¿Mm?
If you're scalping from 3 to 1, what would be wise now? Oh, the price 3 to 1. I was like 3 to 1 now. 3 to 1. 3
I
to
put
1? That's here? You mean 2 to 1?
Mm.
2, 3, 1. Okay.
Alex,
Faith.
You know, I don't. I don't have experience with your 2-to-1s and 3-to-1s.
What do you mean?
I'm good with my.
What?
Ah,
Okay. You see the
Oh, you meant
what's
the
it?
prize.
Yes. What do you?
Oh,
Well, I thought she
I
meant
thought
three
you.
two one, as in
Ah,
3-2-1 now. But then I thought, no, that's not
¿Puedes
logical.
comprar
Then I
también
thought it's the
Bitcoin?
price, but that is even
¿Cuánto?
more illogical. But then she made a mistake.
Tienes
She meant 2-3-1.
268.
So
¿Cuánto le vas a
I
yeah.
comprar?
see the EMA changing trend because it's going sideways, and the 25 is creeping up. So I can't look into the future, but to me this is a sell sign because it also dropped through the EM. If you look at the
68 te
historical
queda.
data, it does the same thing. This is a repetition of this and this. It's a repetition.
Mira que acuérdate de ese número, 42,600.
So I know this is the
O
1
sea, lo puedo
hour.
apuntar yo también,
Yeah.
¿por qué no? Así me los apunto.
So it's going
Oh
fast.
yeah,
Pero,
and another trick is to,
sí,
like, when you're
ahora me
charting a
tomaré nota de
coin,
las trades.
always look at the history of the coin to see the patterns that this coin likes
Sí.
to,
But
create.
the question is, I think her question is, should she close her position or not?
Is it a
No,
futures
cuando
position
compramos
or
bajó.
spot?
My sell got hit on KSM.
Y lo demás en Ethereum.
Yeah, so that's the spot. Oh,
You bought spot. What was your
Ahora te
entry?
diré, Leja.
2-3-1.
2-3-4.
No, 2-3. So
Bueno,
hers is
entrada que
2-3-1 and his is
final.
2-3-4.
Kusama.
A ver,
And what's the price now?
2-2-9.
2-9, I guess. Yes, 2-8.
entonces,
Okay, 2-8.
So you guys bought the top.
Yes.
Welcome to the club. Because I also do that all the time.
You
If I say get into a trade, don't.
Somehow I always buy the top. I FOMO it.
Yes. This is normal in the
Yeah.
beginning. I did the
FOMO.
same.
Me and fighting with FOMO as well. Today I was doing a scalp with Kiwi, and we had set some rules together, and then I just decided, it's just like, it's taking so long, I'm just gonna do it. And then he was like, and then it was just like, I just formed in. Then I had just formed in, and the price started dropping. And I was just like, shit, what the hell am I even doing? So I'm also still struggling with FOMO. The person that I find so disciplined, I think among us is Kiwi. He's so disciplined. He'd rather let a trade go, but he will not FOMO in. God, I wish I could, I need to just switch that FOMO switch off in my brain. I need to turn it off.
Después está.
But my advice is,
Primero,
because
I personally, if I'm holding sport, honesty right now, I would not sell.
no vendimos
I
nunca
wouldn't sell.
XRP.
I'll just hold,
Uno
because
se compró a 0.83.
for me, I think we will maybe, worst case, we're gonna retest 39 and then still go up. So I wouldn't really sell, honestly, but I could also be wrong, guys. I'm a knob,
Aquí,
Can you look at the daily on KSM?
a 1,8
Yeah.
We can have a look
I
on
think it will
la
drop
cantidad
to
también.
2-6 possibly, and if that level holds,
Yeah.
but the line where it
Okay.
can also drop
Un total
let's see, this is 2, 13, 14, 5, 15. So I'm not sure if you can see the lines of the indicator, but it's gonna range.
Is this the GAN fan?
Yeah. So this is the automatic GAN fan.
Alec
So
is
this
the
is
king of GAN fan.
Yeah, he's
so
he's
it
the
just
king
takes the
of
top
Galfan.
and but it's a really good indicator because it shows you what how the price will move. Because it can drop all the way at one go, but it can
Mantuvimos
also find
este
support
comprado
at the other GAN fan line and creep up.
2.634,12 de Ethereum.
So at this level, which is
Nosotros lo
the
vendimos la otra vez.
226, you need to look
Este
and see what it does. But
Claro,
if you have spot and you're gonna hold anyway, it doesn't mean anything. But
0,03325.
if you're trading with leverage, then this drop could mean a lot.
Y después
Yeah.
está XLM.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you guys.
A ver,
Okay,
compramos
so Hal,
Ethereum
you want to
dos
check on the
veces.
daily?
Una la
Yes, I
vendimos.
need to look like what are the
No.
closings of daily 2 to 3
Aquí hay
days
un
back.
2.
What are the closings
Hmm.
of the candles?
Aquí no hay.
Yes.
Okay, let
Sí,
me
pero las
delete
compras
this.
son de una vez, no repartidas en
So right now we have 3 hours left. So Faith is the candle
Aquí
expert.
hay $80
Ooh,
de
look at that
Ethereum,
support
No.
right there.
99, $100 de
You see
Ethereum
that?
y
We
después
have
habían
support from
estos
2
0.1732 que eran $42
But
que
yeah,
fueron
you
vendidos
you
por
don't really
45.
use the 7
Otros Ethereum no hay en el
MA on the daily. But okay.
pero están en perfecto.
So
Mira,
Faith,
está
you there?
justo.
Yes, I'm here.
Ya me acuerdo porque la otra vez lo vi.
What do you
Un
think
Ethereum
of these
comprado en
candles?
2004 y uno a 2006. El de 2004
Oh,
se vendió
long
y se
weeks.
realizó
There's a bot
Mhm.
playing
una
with the
ganancia.
price.
El otro se dejó
The trend
y
is
queda
going
allá.
up, but the
Está
bots
ganando.
are playing with the
XLM a 0.38.
price.
Bots.
Yeah, these are bots.
Yeah.
This is
Yeah.
these are KuCoin bots.
Y
Probably.
171,2.
probably yeah. They're hunting.
Y finalmente Doge.
The trend is going up, so this is very
Punto a
dangerous to play
0.37,
with
331.
leverage.
Alarma a
Dangerous, very dangerous to play
aunque 0.7
leverage
porque
on
es
this, unless you're playing
el
very low
punto
leverage.
de la otra vez por
Um,
133.
but the trend's going up. It's just there's so many bots
Bitcoin
playing.
0.0.
What's being resisted?
Sorry?
It's being resisted
2, 3, 4, 6.
Yeah.
by the trend line. So if it moves just like this along the trend line, it could reach 266, 86. Sorry, 68. But yeah, there are still levels here. It needs to pierce. This is one. That's 251. That's a nice resistance. This is one, 237.
Guys, you know,
Yeah.
in Indian exchange, this coin pumped to $10,000.
It pumped to $10,000.
Yes, it was a glitch on the WazirX app, and they pumped this coin to around $10,000.
What kind of exchange is it?
What?
Yes, yes. On WazirX app, you have heard about the like maybe you have seen it on Binance that there is a token called WRX, WazirX.
Yeah.
Yeah. So that exchange pumped this coin to $10,000. Uh, and you know
Gosh.
what? I did a quick scalp. When it pumped $10,000 again, it tries to do the retest. So
Mira que yo
I
no puedo
purchased it
sentir
with
esas
my
cosas, a mí me fastidia.
$260
No,
on the price range of 1500 USDT, and I sold it over 350, the $3,500. So it was
Oh,
a
so
scalp
you
of
could
Perdida,
actually sell
perdida.
it? That's
yeah,
crazy.
yes. With it was like for
A
maybe 2 to
glitch.
3 minutes, maybe, or maybe more than less than 2 to 3 minutes.
49
It's
But
a
con
how
glitch.
could you
96.
sell it if it was a glitch?
Yeah, but they allow
503.
the payment like
It's
15 minutes.
possible. It's
Yes.
possible.
So weird.
49.97.
I made
It's
like around
possible.
$100 on that within a 5 minutes. Within five
How
minutes, I
much?
made $100. I have made more than
In
100, I guess,
5 minutes.
in 5 minutes. Yes.
Nice. Very, very nice.
Oh, I love this chart.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
I discovered something. I've been drawing my Gantt fan lines on the log scale, right? But when you put it off log scale, it actually gets even more precise. I mean, it gets
Entonces,
really
con esto,
precise.
yo debería
You can
tener
even
en
predict the
total, tenemos
drops
5
and
3
the
8
bumps,
7 9. Vamos a ver
or
algo.
not predict, analyze.
Esto para hacer estamos bien. Deberíamos
How
tener más dólares.
Uh,
Probablemente una
you are
mejor
going to show us
conversión.
now?
I think this is the bull run.
5, 3,
Oh,
8, 7, 15, sí,
yeah, I
correcto.
can show you on an other chart as well.
XRP tenemos
But if you want to check this one's also fine. So it's your
120,
choice.
80, 205, 206, correcto. Bitcoin 0023.
Low.
CDM
Into the-
51.2.
So, I think it's Starlight's first time here.
8.
Yeah, yeah, it is.
So welcome.
Ah, porque sabe dónde hay. Y Doge 57.900.
But you probably haven't seen me chart yet. Well, if you want me to explain anything,
Sí.
Yeah,
you just
Alex,
have
what
to
happened
ask.
here?
Entonces
I was
convertimos
not
sus
able to
small
make
balance en
a
el
proper
BNB,
angle with 45 degree. You easily made that
que
angle.
son los dólares que quedaban 002.
Is there anything that
Los
we have to
metemos en
do
la
something
moneda
like
que se usa para pagar los,
You gotta not double check, but
las
triple check.
comisiones. BNB.
So you take
Es
the,
lo que tienes.
what's this?
0033.
Okay, it's
Pero
just
va
called
bien
zoom in.
porque al
You
menos
take
paga
the
menos.
zoom in thing and you just look at it
Y ya.
to see if it's,
Y esto es
in
lo
the
que hago,
corner.
que va bien.
okay
No?
on the
De
last
momento,
bottom week of the
593
candle?
dólares. Pero,
Yeah, the bottom wick.
ojo una cosa, yo ahora estos
And
Just
números
like
me los apunto del otro
top.
lado.
just like the top price of the
Las
bull
alarmas.
run. You take
En
the
Ethereum,
lowest
cuando llega a
price of the bull
3750,
run.
prepararse.
So it looks
¿Por
like
qué?
this,
Porque
yeah?
no salir a
You
4000,
have
Yes.
pero podría
resistance,
nunca llegar a
support,
4000.
and timeline.
En Bitcoin, cuando llega a 47, prepararse. Podría llegar a 100,000,
So,
pero
so we checked, it's
47 es
45
duro.
degrees here as well.
No, y es
It's
más,
exactly in
son
the
antes de
corner.
47, espera.
Yeah, we cut and pasted the coordinates.
Bueno, y esto ya está hecho, no hay más dólares.
Okay.
Así que
Then we go into
ahora
the corner
solo es
again, make sure if the Gantt fan line
dejarlo en
is
paz.
exactly in the corner, which it is.
No nos tenemos dinero. Y de todas
Okay,
formas,
so you
Monero
drag the
no
Gantt
está
fan and
performando
place
muy
it
bien,
as a support.
te aviso.
Somewhere where you find
Está
or
recogiendo menos
think
que
or
los
feel,
demás.
whatever,
Hazme pensar.
is logical. Okay? So I'll just play around and look, okay, I can take the wicks only,
Why is that?
like this, or like this, but
Okay.
for my feeling, yeah, the real support is where the bodies land.
Bodies. Yeah.
The bodies. Because the wicks, to me, are just, the bots
Bitcoin, la
hunting stop
alarma
losses.
Deviation.
Deviation.
This is apply for every like chart like this or just for this chart? Like, do we have to take the wicks also sometimes, or just the wicks bodies?
Excuse me, I didn't hear you very well.
a esta línea.
What's your question, brother?
Yeah,
Digamos que
said
a
like, do we have to apply the same
45,
strategy on every chart, or
44,
do we have to
45,
consider
la primera
sometimes
alarma.
wicks also?
44, 500, mirar qué
On
pasa.
the week chart.
Puedes quedarte.
Mm-hmm.
Uno se puede quedar,
Uh,
porque en teoría,
what?
mira que
But
esta
why would you
línea
do this
es
on the
muy
week
dura.
chart?
Si la pasa,
No. I was saying like,
viene
if
hasta
we
acá,
if we want to take the
55.
support, can we
Yeah.
take the support
Pero
of
si no
wicks
la pasa,
also? Like sometimes maybe.
Oh,
que no 55,
with
porque
the
se va a
GAN
quedar
fan
probablemente.
or in
Yes.
general?
No, in GANFAN.
Mm. Yeah, of course. But as I said, you know, if you take, for example, this support, for
Okay.
me it is not really support because there's a lot of
No
room.
exagere.
Okay.
So you need to choose a line with the most price action. For me, it's this because I have. Let me show you. If I just put this,
Sí,
I have
digamos que
1, 2,
si pasa de esa
3
línea,
perfect price
la
actions
segunda
in 2
alarma es
weeks.
aquí
So
alrededor
let's
de
say 5.
50, 55.
But if I put it closer,
Antes, ¿por qué no?
I have more price action. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
No hay
8, 9.
particular.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Esta. Aquí hay una 45, 49, 50. Aquí.
Okay, then you scroll the chart until the upper 45
Eso
degree
es. O sea,
is lined up
aquí hay
with the
una resistencia.
1.1.
Mira,
So
esta resistencia es
first,
dura,
you place the
porque
support,
está relacionada con
you scroll the chart like this,
esto antes.
Okay.
place it
Así que
exactly on the
exactamente donde está
1.1.
esta
You
línea,
do not scroll the chart
44,700
anymore.
está otra. Es posible que aquí
You go
quede
to the
dura.
other
Así que
GAN
apuntar
fan
este número.
corner. You
44,700.
place the 1.1 on the
44,500
angle.
va bien.
What do you do then? You triple check to see if you were accurate. See, I wasn't accurate. It was off by like 2 cents or something.
Okay.
So now it's accurate.
O sea,
Okay,
900,
I zoom out. I need to check this again. Yeah.
Aquí hay fuerza.
So I think this is where most people go wrong. They don't triple check.
Ya pasamos de todo eso. A ver,
Okay. Okay, so now we can scroll
no hay más.
because the GAN fans stay in place. Okay.
3632, primer punto.
So
Aunque
we're just
yo
going
miraría
to
este.
order
3243.
what we have drawn. So we make this group 1. So this is the basis, it's group 1.
Y después,
So why do I do that? When I want to check the chart or place indicators, it gets very crowded. And if I post that in the chat,
y no
nobody
tan alto, probablemente.
understands. So that's why I just organize my chart,
O sea,
and I can
las
in one go,
alarmas
because you
son
can
de
silence the whole group or hide the
3.245,
whole group, and then all the lines hide in one go.
250.
Yeah. How did you make that in one group?
Los otros
Could you
planetitas
show me one more
pequeñas.
time? I didn't.
No hay
You go to
alarmas,
object
porque
tree,
realmente,
Okay.
si uno controla
and then
aquí,
you select. So you
va
press
bien. Pero
one
la
and you
alarma
press shift and you
3250 para
press the other,
compra de
Okay.
hoy. La compra
and then you
2600
right click
también,
and
bueno,
choose
Create
create
pueden
a
errar
group
la-
of drawings.
Okay.
Okay, great.
Pero sí, está
So
bien ahora. Buena
probably
entrada en
Starlight
todo.
is now asking
No
why is he
excesiva.
drawing all these
No
lines
debería
based
cambiar
on
el
what?
mercado, sobre todo en Ethereum.
This is the
So-
interest we have to notice.
O sea, que lo que
Exactly.
tienes en
You have
Ethereum,
been
¿cuánto
paying
es?
attention.
99,68, así que
Yeah,
So all these GAN fan lines, they cross,
60,
and I place the
77,
horizontals
257,
on the crosses.
va a 300.
So right here, I have a cross.
277,
I
puedes
place
ganar
one there.
350 totales. No
Yeah,
está
Alex,
bueno.
and yes,
sorry
brother.
for stopping you. I was actually yesterday, or maybe yes, yesterday I
Y
was
es obvio
doing
que
the chart on GANFAN,
si todo va
but
por
I'm not able
arriba
to place the
de
exact
todo este capital que se
horizontal line on
invirtió,
exact cross.
que es,
It is
You were on the daily, yeah?
bueno, 100, 200, 300,
Sorry.
right? You were. I
400,
said you were on the daily.
500,
Yes.
640.
Okay.
Yes, I was.
So what could you do?
$650
So it was not
total,
pressing like it was
I know.
yes,
¿cierto?
It
it was
was.
not coming
It
on
was
the
like
daily.
this.
Yes,
It was
a
like
little
this.
bit. Yes.
So what did you do?
Bueno, pero
I
aquí
didn't do
son
that.
más de
I was
500
searching
porque hay
and I ended up
50, 100,
giving up.
200, 300, 400,
Okay.
500,
Dekra, you know the
600,
answer.
Hadar. Sorry, I wasn't paying attention because I
648,
was also charting.
$650.
What did you say? What was the
The question
question?
was.
650
The
dividido
question was
100 por
that Sohail couldn't place the
195, o sea que al
horizontal
final
or the
podrías tener
vertical line exactly on the cross, and he had the daily chart.
845
Right.
So how
You just
could you
moved to the
solve that?
4 hour.
en un mes.
Exactly.
Just zoom in.
Pero hay que tener cuidado a las
Okay, I was going on
entradas
4 hour
y a la
chart.
salida.
Oh, you were
It was
doing it
good.
on the
Hay
4
muchos
hour.
que,
Yeah.
Then
Then you
o
go
perhaps
sea,
to the
el
hour.
3, 2,
to the 1
50 y
hour.
44,
Yeah.
500 son
You
números
just
que
zoom in.
deberían ser pasados,
But,
pero pueden ser
you know,
resistencia, así que uno decide qué hacer.
Asim,
No.
Si salirse y
I
ganar el
still haven't
5,
figured out what's
ver
wrong
qué
with the
pasa,
chart
o si recoger un poco y dejar adentro un poco
because
You
más.
every
have to-
time I
Por
zoom
ejemplo,
out,
a
Mhm.
3,250,
the 1
still
2 is
happens.
not in place
coger
anymore. Yeah, I tried it with
ganancia de esto,
different tokens. It's just
que
I
fue
don't know what it is.
$100 y
I'm
que
still trying to
gana
figure it out.
50%,
Yeah. I
recoger
have no
50 y
idea.
sacarlos para invertirlos en otro lado, para ponerlo en otra parte, no es una mala
New
idea.
laptop.
Yeah, sorry.
O sea, esos
Maybe.
puntos de alarma,
I have
piénsalos.
no idea because it
Si
never
ves un
happened to
3,250,
me.
un 44,500,
Only when I changed log
changed.
scale.
Okay.
Sí, porque no vale la pena si
Asim
sigue
brother, could you
subiendo,
please
pero
tell
para
me the
evitar
answer why
perderlo,
it was
conviene
happening?
sacarlo y dejar lo que hay desde el
Why?
principio. Y
What
con
was
este
happening?
sacado,
Like
si baja, comprar la
I was
bajada.
not able to make
Si
it
no
on the
baja,
cross.
comprar otra cosa, por ejemplo, comprar
Because
un negro.
the daily chart,
Pero comprar algo que está subiendo,
the
no que
daily
está
candles,
bajando.
yeah,
Ni que está tomando
you can
tiempo.
consider it this way. They're fat. So it sounds weird, but this is the only way I can explain it. So when I go to the hour, the daily candle is divided in 24 candles. So now I get, yeah, one daily candle is 24 hours. So if I go on the hour chart, I have 24 candles.
Yes.
So this right here was one candle.
Yes.
So now I can pinpoint it exactly. So I probably moved it by 6 hours
Okay.
or something. Yeah.
Pero
So
los
this,
trabajadores,
yeah, if you want to be, you know,
Dios santísimo,
exact, very precise
las
near
tumbas.
TA,
O sea, ¿qué hicieron con ese ruido?
would want to go to the lower time frames,
No.
and the hour is enough. Okay, you do not have to go into the 5 minute, but the hour is enough. And then you just, adjust.
Pero las
Adjust the
tumbas
lines.
no las compraron, vinieron a ver qué.
And this
la
is
otra
something
vez.
that takes a little time, but this is not our job,
Y las
this is our
fortunas.
hobby, so you need to enjoy it.
Pero eso solo son
Yes,
fontaneros.
and one more
entonces,
thing, like
las
if
que
I
van
if
a
I go
caer.
back to the one day chart, and this line will move back or it will stay the same
¿Cuándo?
on daily chart.
¿Cómo van a hacerlo ahora que viene
It will stay the same.
dentro de poco? ¿Dónde van a trabajar hoy?
Inshallah.
¿El gas?
Well, most of the time it will stay the
¿Con
same.
quién? ¿Y quién es?
For me, I've never experienced that it moves out of place.
Okay. Okay, this time I'm paying attention much now. So let's see what's happening. Inshallah, tomorrow I will make it my own gun fan chart.
¿Por qué yo debo hablar con personas que no tienen concepto del
So
tiempo?
you can make the
Tú
corrections
quieres hacer
if you
inversiones
see
15
anything
días.
Listen,
¿A 15 días? ¿De dónde
I
vienes?
will check it, of course, but
Si
you need
15 días yo
to
quedé sin trabajo.
also keep in mind that
20 días, exacto.
this is just
O sea
one
que-
of the ways
No.
to do it.
No, porque te
Okay.
digo, yo tengo un
It's just one of the
calendario
ways.
acá que me dice cuántos días son.
Because faith
Estas
is
personas
able to
de las
see
cuales
the
hablas
same
de la cosa, ha pasado una semana.
prices on my right,
semana.
yeah, she's
Hoy
able to
estamos
do the same,
abiertos
but
una
without the
semana
Genfin.
pasada. 8
Yeah.
días. No 15.
And she probably won't have this many, you know,
Que no era un
all the way
martes. Ve a
below the
ver la
chart, but
confesión
it's
de
also
fe.
not
Dime
necessary.
cuándo era.
But the most important lines she can see.
No
So
estará escrito.
meaning it's not necessary to draw a Genfin line,
Okay.
but I just enjoy it because
¿Quién?
the result is just amazing. Yeah.
Yes, that's why. Like, even I know that. What are you trying to say? Like, it is not necessary, but if you are interested, that you can do that. You can do that.
Esta es la
So
foto.
I am just interested. Like, want to try it. So
Okay. That's fine, you know.
28.
Totally fine.
10 días.
I mean, to try
Ni
new
10
things in
días.
life.
Ni
yes,
10
yes,
días,
yes. That
8
is what I
días.
wanted
¿Qué
to
dije yo?
like
8.
try
8
it
días
and
son.
do it for ourselves and see like if you can make it.
Yeah. You
A
know,
ver,
and
si eso pasó,
listen, you are
el
going to
martes
fail a lot of times.
sería el 10.
Okay.
Yes.
Del 28 al
And this
10,
is with everything in
¿cuántos
life.
días hay?
You need
1,
practice,
2,
you need
3,
practice, and
4, 5, 6,
eventually
7,
you will
8,
You will make
9,
see.
10,
Yeah.
11, 12,
sorry.
13 días.
Oh,
You know, when I saw this Gunfan chat
Nunca
first time,
vendrán
I did not
entonces,
understand.
porque tú tienes un
Now
concepto
I
del
am
día
understanding
completamente
much better
equivocado.
because
Nunca
I have been
vendrán.
attending third time, I guess,
Hasta,
third to fourth time your
no,
call.
no son 15 días, son
So
10 días,
now I'm getting
de los
things
cuales
right.
laborales son
That's good.
4, no, ¿cuánto es? 10 menos 2 por semana, son 6 días laborales.
So
6
I
laborales.
think we need to have calls
Son
like
15.
this.
Pero
Of
son 15 menos 4, 11 días laborales. O sea, ni 2 semanas. ¿Dónde?
So the
El
the
día laboral
downside
es de
to this
lunes a
chart,
viernes.
because there's a downside,
Sí, te cobra obviamente el sábado y domingo, pero son días laborales y te los cobra
what
you
you
could
doble a tus días.
move the lines without knowing. You know, you could grab the chart and think like, oh, it didn't move. Well, it did, but you just moved the line. So you need to be sharp on that. Okay, it's very
careful
easy
like,
to
when
move.
moving